Hey, good morning. This is Mark Finan in the home office here with your weather update for this Thursday morning. Today is the 16th day of February 2023. Have a few high clouds out there today. We'll see a bit more of that today. Another cold start. We had temperatures down in the low to mid 30s, and with these clouds in the area today, we're likely going to be seeing another cool day with highs in the upper 50s, but not much in the way of wind, which is a benefit that we haven't had around the last couple of days. A lot of changes ahead, especially for next week, so let's dig into what it is we are expecting. Here's the satellite photo for first thing this morning. And as you can see, we just have these milky clouds coming across the area. There's nothing in the way of rain here, and we won't be seeing anything in the way of rain. And here's a wider look. If you look out there, you can see there's a little spiral in the clouds, and that's the low that's off the coast. You have to go way out there before you find anything in the way of rain. And that low is just spinning some clouds our way, and that's what we'll see through the day today and part of the day tomorrow, but tomorrow will bring some clearing. Nothing in the way of rain. As a matter of fact, as we head into the weekend, the overall pattern looks pretty good. As you can see, there's that trough off the coast, and as we head through the weekend, what we're going to see is that trough is heading farther to the south, leaving us with some pretty nice conditions over the next couple of days. So if you have any outdoor plans this weekend, it's fine. Let's get into next week because this is when things begin to change. A big, deep trough digs our way, bringing cold air. But the problem here is going to be limited moisture, at least at the beginning. So there's a question about how much rain we might see, and certainly how much snow and how low that snow might get. So that's that pattern change that we're looking at for next week. So let's dig into that a little bit more. I just want to reassure you that the weekend is going to be nice. That's Saturday, nothing in the way of rain. Fine getting through the Sierra, not a problem. We'll have mostly sunny skies this weekend and even into the day on Monday. Nothing in the way of rain. So we go through the weekend, we go through the day Monday without any real significant change in the weather. It'll actually warm up a little bit. We get highs back in the mid 60s. But this is Tuesday afternoon. So this is around, maybe 4 o'clock or so. I think Tuesday we start dry, and by later in the day we get rain. Now, initially, we'll get some light rain in the valley and snow in the Sierra, probably above 4,000 feet. The cold air isn't going to be here initially. So while we are expecting some lower snow, perhaps, that's not the way it's going to start. And I know a lot of details will still have to be sorted out. Tuesday, Wednesday are still a long time from now, but I'm showing you the initial stages of what we're looking at. Then as the colder air comes in by Wednesday, actually Wednesday morning and Wednesday afternoon, that's when we have the chance of maybe some lower snow. But again, moisture is going to be very limited here. So exactly how low the snow may get, I do think we'll have snow around 3,000 feet, but how much we may see remains a mystery because let me show you, this is the total precipitation accumulation. That number may be hard to read, but for Sacramento it says 0.07. So less than a tenth of an inch of rain. I talked about the fact that this is going to be colder, but we're going to be rather moisture starved. Now, in the foothills, it will be better. We'll be seeing a couple of tenths of an inch of water, which means inches of snow. So that's the thing we'll be looking at for Tuesday, Wednesday, is the possibility of some snow, but inches of snow. I'm talking 3-4 inches of snow, something like that, around maybe 2,500 or 3,000 feet. But those are kind of details we'll sort out over the next couple of days. However, it isn't just Tuesday, Wednesday that we're looking at, because by Thursday, Friday, we're also looking at another surge of moisture. However, by then the air mass will begin to modify a little bit, and the snow levels could be changing. So while we are, I'm seeing online a lot of chatter about what may happen next week. There's still a lot we don't know. And especially for those of you that live between 2,000 and 3,000 feet, we just don't know exactly where that snow level is going to be. And the other thing is the snow level is likely going to go up and down and then maybe back up. So, but those are details that we'll have to sort out in the next couple of days. The bottom line is the weekend is fine. Anything you have planned outdoors this weekend is going to be great. Next week is going to be colder with changes. It doesn't mean we're going to see a lot of rain in the valley. The rain amounts should be modest and manageable in the valley. The big question is going to be the snow, how much we get and how low is it going to get, and it may last all the way into the following weekend. So a lot to manage here over the next couple of days. We'll keep you updated. A couple of things I also want to mention that on these YouTube videos, if there's any content that you'd like to see, mention something in the comments, and I'll keep that in mind and try to include it in future videos here. And of course, tonight, today is Thursday. I'll be back on Facebook tonight at 8 o'clock for a full half-hour chat. And of course, I'll be on KCRA at 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, and 11. Make it a great day. I'll talk to you later.